This is the second video, and this is for auctioneers, so they know how to upload or create an auction. Auctioneers simply click here to log in. On all other pages there'll be a login area on the top left over here. Simply enter your username and password, click login, and you will be logged in. Once you are logged in, the left nav will change, and this is very specific to you. This is specific to auctioneers only, and auction seekers will not see this information. This is typically where you'll see the additional login areas. Once you have clicked the login button, you'll be transported to this page. This is your auctioneer account page. This is where you create a new auction listing. Simply click on the create new auction listing page button and you will be transported to this area. Fill this in as completely as possible. Again, you can add in all kinds of color, smileys, text changes, and something that's very unique with this is we can add in a nice little table. When we add a table, we can use that for doing things such as a catalog, which I know is very important. So you can add all kinds of nice items and then put in the time it's going to go off, the lot number, the price it went for, and you can increase the size of the table very easily. Again, you have your amenities. You can select which amenities are available as is necessary. I've added an address of Boca Raton, Florida, so you can see how this will for entering or pretty much anywhere in the world. In this area, you add your photos. It's very simple. Simply click Browse and click on the particular item you want to add as your file. Once it's added, you can add in, even before it's added, you can add in text here regarding that specific item. And you can add in quite a bit of text. Come down here and click Select Date and Time. This is very important. You're not able to type into this area. The system automatically detects or determines from the date you submit to the date that you're planning on having your auction the price that will be associated with it when I start charging, and that could be some time away. It's also important that you put the time in first as opposed to the date. Once you click the date, it'll automatically develop the listing and the cost associated with that listing. Again, it's very simple. My auction, I intend to have it go off at 9 a.m. and it will be November 28th. It automatically fills the information in for me. I agree to the cost of the listing, which is still $0, and hit submit. Once I've hit submit, I will be brought to this page, and you can see I've actually already started getting hits on this auction. And this is where I can come back to and delete or edit this auction. Once it's deleted, it will be moved into the auction archive. So you can see how many auctions you've listed with us and how many hits or how many views you've had of those auctions. Now the auction has been listed on the home page and available for clicking by users. They simply click on the various listings, ones that are of interest to them or ones that they have found through a search, and they will be transported to it. Again, you can see when I mouse over the various items, there's text regarding each one. That's the text that I put in prior in the large text area underneath each image, and you can see I put in quite a bit of text regarding this particular item. Another nice feature, you can click on map directions. As long as you've put in the full address of the actual auction, it will come up with Google's maps. The user can then place, or the auction seeker can place their address here and have complete step-by-step directions, compliments of Google, directly to their auction. Thanks very much.